local radio station's EAS system going off. Blizzard warnings. As you can see, even though the sun's out, not too much fun driving around. It's what you call a ground blizzard. Blue sky, but snow being blown across the ground. 25 to 40 mile-an-hour winds. Here's driving down the interstate in a blizzard. I don't know if you can see the truck ahead of me. There he disappears. I can see him anyhow. But yeah. Not a terrible lot of fun. Kind of deceiving, but I am doing 55 mile an hour on the interstate here. You can't really tell how fast I'm going, because I'm going with the wind and the snow blowing down the interstate. But if you look off to the side, you might get a little better perspective as to how fast I'm going. But yeah, going with the wind, it looks like I'm just doing like 20 or something. It's tough to see the road, obviously. Gotta look for white lines. Listen for the rumble strip. Oh, here's some good road conditions. There you see the truck. He's probably 100, 150 foot in front of me. Probably about 100. There's a truck 50 foot in front of me. I'm doing 20. And a semi just blew by me at about 40.